Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are in sunny Alcudia in Palma, Mallorca. We're at an all-inclusive resort called the Bellevue Club, which we're going to give you guys a tour of today. We're just getting ready to head down for breakfast, see what breakfast is all about, and then we'll come back, do a room tour, show you around and show you all the things that we can do here. We've just put the kids in the kids club. It's on for an hour and 45 minutes, and they do like, it's like a little nursery, and they do like drawing and playing and all that sort of stuff. Yeah.
And the kids have been enjoying it, and then their favourite person is in today.
Yes, lovely lady. So they're happy, and so we'll put them in for an hour and 45 minutes, and then we'll go explore, and we actually need to go find a laundromat.
Yeah, we've got lots of
We've got lots of dirty laundry. Yeah. See, because we're all inclusive, Sarah there was just saying that she's been enjoying not spending money.
Yeah. Enjoying not using my contact list.
That's true, because the all-inclusive includes the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, the snacks, the drink, the ice cream. Like, it just includes everything.
Yeah.
And there's like 4 or 5 like bars. Is it? How many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's like 5 bars dotted around the complex. And you show your wee band, and you can just get whatever you want. Like wine, beer, soft drinks, spirits, slushies, cocktails, hot drinks. It's all included in the all-inclusive package.
Okay, so we're going to take you on an apartment tour. So this is the Leda building. We've got some swimming pools outside. This is our main living area. TV, couch. I'm not too sure if that turns into anything.
It might be a bed.
Quite comfortable.
Yeah.
The kids have been playing with it. We have a dining space here, not that we're doing much dining because we're all inclusive. And then through this little window we have a kitchen.
Hello.
Hi. It's got everything you need, but we don't need it because we're all inclusive. So that's been nice, not being in the kitchen cooking. And then I take you out to the balcony, which is really, really nice. Well, we've not been out in it much anyway because it's been so windy, but this is our lovely little balcony with table and chairs. We've got full view, the pools. There is a kids club down in the corner, which is where our kids are right now, over there. And yeah, there's a little bar, there's a snack van, and down through those apartments is the lake, and we're going to go down there today and go exploring. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. So the kids have been sleeping in this one. We've got the 2 single beds, and then we've got a travel cot for Miliana, which she still fits in, so that's been great because sometimes she likes to get in and out of bed. So the travel cot's kind of deterring that. And then in here, bathroom, shower, bath, toilet, sink, all of our toiletries, messy, 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 family of 5. And then the bedrooms have wardrobes, lots of space, double bed, lovely view of outside. The apartment's fine, isn't it?
I think it's a really nice apartment. We're happy with it. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah.
And yeah, it's nice not being in the kitchen cooking.
During the day, there's so many activities on. Right now, there's something happening at the pool, and I'm like, we're missing out, Sarah. We need to go down and go because the kids have been looked after. What are they doing? I want to know what they're doing.
They are. I'm not too sure. They're throwing something. Yeah.
Is it a game?
Is it some sort of like bullseye thing? Yeah, they need to like.
They're just playing with beanbags. I thought it was something more exciting.
No. I think there's like a B-Fit class on later that Nina wants to do. Oh, I don't want to do it.
Sprite. Cola. Sprite. Sangria. 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 Cola.
We've just got the kids from the kids club. I was doing some of the poolside activities. It's still quite windy, but the weather says that the wind is due to die down soon. So we're gonna take the kids to lunch, and then hopefully walk down to the beach when it's a bit less windy.
We made one.
You made wands?
Yeah.
Nice.
So this is one of the splash parks at the complex, and then there's more behind us building that I'm filming now. We're just going to start off here, let the kids play here for a bit, and then we'll take them to the next one and show you guys around. But it looks lovely here.
We're just at one of the mini splash parks here at the Bellevue. The kids are just playing. It's still a bit breezy and cold, I think, but the kids are enjoying themselves. And yeah, there's loads of splash parks and swimming pools and bars and everything across the entire complex, which is pretty good. Yeah.
The wind has eventually died down a bit. It's been so windy the last few days, but it's calmed down. It's to be nice the next few days, so we're eventually going to go and see the beach for the first time. And Nina has got all the bags. Now I've got a wee bag as well, but turn round.
What's in your bag?
I don't know. We are at the beach. I can't really see, I'm not gonna lie.
It's very bright. We're at Alcudia
And I
Beach.
refuse to wear sunglasses because I do not sit them. Look at this. It might just not be my shape, but I don't sit them. Anyway, I'll do it for the purpose of the video. Don't look at me.
We're at the beach. Where are we? We're at Alcudia Beach.
Alcudia Beach. It's quite windy
it's
still,
a
but
bit
it's actually
windy.
still nice.
The kids are just playing in the water. Benji's over there doing a hole, obviously. And yeah, we're just relaxing on the beach before we head back to the accommodation to have dinner and that, and go and check out the evening entertainment.
Yeah, it's like 4 p.m. already, so we won't be here for too long. And then tomorrow there's no wind, you've told me.
No wind tomorrow. So
yeah.
Tomorrow's hopefully going to be a good weather day for us.
Hopefully. Yeah, so Nina's no,
it's just
we've just been to the pharmacy.
I've got painkillers. It's just a wee tickle. You know, sometimes when your throat gets a wee bit dry and it only lasts like half a day, and then the next day you're fine. That's what's going to happen.
But anyway, we went to the beach. The beach was nice. We sat there for a bit. Still a bit breezy. Again, tomorrow's to be better. We're going back to the apartment now. We're going to get changed, hose the kids down,
Shower,
go for dinner, and then we're going to
kids.
plan.
No, we're going to do...
Oh yeah, we'll go to
mini
entertainment tonight, and then we've just been and rented a car for Saturday and Sunday, so we can explore Mallorca. I don't know if that's how you say it, is it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So we'll get to plan that out a bit tonight as well. We've been to reception twice today because we've put our phone next to the key cards, and then they don't work anymore, so now we're going back to reception again. This was Nina's fault this time. First time it's my fault, now it's Nina's fault. But we're back again in a big massive queue to get our keys fixed. I'm not good at bringing a jacket out with me. So again, I've just stole Nina's denim jacket.
No, I wear clothes, and now I have to be cold because she doesn't wear properly clothes, and now I have to give her my clothes so that she's not cold. But now I'm cold.
But that's what partners do for each other. Thank you so much. I love you so much.
What are you getting?
Is that mine? Yeah. Thank you.
Next,
Two vino blanco. Dos vino blanco.
Did that to you when we left the apartment. I was like, put your jacket on because it will be cold when we go to the mini disco. And you said, I'll be fine. And now, look who's the clown. Me.
Mug. Mug.
Anyway, we're at the mini disco. The stage is here. Kids are running around.
Do you not want me in the video?
No. I'm angry at you.
It's because I took a denim jacket. One of our children are coming over looking very depressed right now.
Oh, let's find out. What's going on, Matty? What happened?
my teeth is so
You can't do the dance moves because inside your tooth is sore. Why is your tooth sore? Let me see.
Probably too much bread.
For the mini disco. Are you ready? Now we all at the same time are going to say uno, dos, tres, DJ, música.
I like being sun-kissed.
You look sunburned.
Or sun-kissed. What's the lyrics?
¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? No, no, no.